Look at this, 8 seconds of video, clean, cinematic. Now here's the problem. If I give you the prompt I used for this video, it will be outdated in a few weeks, new tools come out, syntax changes, rules change, and you are back here searching for another prompt. So instead of giving you one prompt, I built a tool that writes them for me. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates the exact prompt, optimized for the specific tool you are using, image prompts for image generators, video prompts for video generators. It even locks your character so the face stays consistent across every shot. And this is the feature that changes everything. You describe one video, it writes the image prompt and the video prompt. Matched, consistent, ready to paste. You are going to build your own version of this tool today, and here is why this matters more than any single prompt I could give you. When a new AI tool launches next week, you upload its documentation, and your tool learns it automatically. It never goes obsolete. Watch until the end. The build process has real limitations I need to warn you about. Let's get to work. First tool, NotebookLM. Open it, new notebook. We need to feed it the official documentation from AI tools, not blog posts, not Reddit threads, the official prompt guides. Every serious AI tool publishes one. Most people never read them. That is why most people guess their prompts. I am grabbing the guides for Ideogram, Nano Banana Pro, VO3, and Kling AI. Copy the URLs. Paste them as sources. The sources are loaded, but right now this is hundreds of pages of technical jargon. We need NotebookLM to extract only the rules that matter, the exact syntax, the exact parameters, the exact keywords each tool understands. For that, go to Configure Chat. Under Conversational Goal, select Custom, paste this instruction into it. Then, under Response Length, choose Longer. Now in the chat, I am pasting master prompt number 1. It is in the pinned comment. Look at that, every tool, every parameter, every formatting rule, extracted and organized, copy this entire output. Save it as a PDF. This PDF is the brain of our tool. We are done with a NotebookLM. Now we switch tools. Download Claude Desktop. This is not the free chat version of Claude. This is Claude Code. It builds real applications on your computer. It costs $20 per month. Think of this as an investment, not an expense. You are building a tool you will use every single day that is worth more than $20. Once you are in, go to the code section. Now, go to the Customize tab. Then Skills. Then Add Skills. Install the Artifact skills. This teaches Claude how to build polished web applications. Next, create a new folder on your PC. Take the PDF we made from NotebookLM. Drop it into this folder. Go back to Claude Code. Select this folder as your project. Now, paste master prompt number 2. This is the big prompt. It tells Claude exactly what to build. Every tab, every feature, every rule, it is in the pinned comment. Copy it, paste it. Do not change anything, hit enter. It will ask for permissions. Allow them all. Now let it work, watch what is happening. It is reading our reference sheet. It is detecting which AI tools are in the documentation. It is building the tabs, the drop-downs, the prompt logic. Every parameter from the documentation is being embedded directly into the app. After a few minutes, done. Now, here is what nobody tells you. You will not get the perfect tool in one shot. Claude built about 70% of it on the first attempt. Some tabs worked perfectly, others had bugs. So I checked the tool. I identified what was not working as I expected, then I told Claude exactly what to fix. It fixed it. But I needed to test harder. So I went to ChatGPT, I told it, I created an AI image and video prompt generation tool. Give me some scenes to test it. I copied those scenes, pasted them into Claude, told it to test the tool with these scenes. After a few minutes, Claude identified bugs and gave me a report. I told it to fix them. Then I went back to ChatGPT, asked for harder scenes, did the same process again. Claude tested, found more bugs, fixed them. After 2 rounds of testing, more than 95% of the tool was working. One important limitation. I'm using the Pro plan, $20 a month, during this build. I hit the session token limit. That means Claude stopped working, and I had to wait 5 hours before telling it to continue. If you are on the same plan, you will hit this limit too. Plan for it. Do not panic, just come back and tell Claude to continue where it left off. Also, if you want less complexity and fewer token problems, reduce the number of tabs and the number of AI models you include. Fewer features means fewer bugs and less token cost. Start simple. Upgrade later. If this workflow just saved you from manually memorizing hundreds of pages of AI documentation, drop a like on the video. It tells me to keep building systems like this for you. Let's test the final tool. Image prompts first. I am selecting Ideogram. I type a plain English description. A family sitting together in a living room watching television in the evening. No style preset. Hit generate. Look at that. Ideogram syntax. Ideogram parameters. Ready to paste. Let's test this. Go to Ideogram. Paste the prompt. Hit generate. Look at the result. Now let's test the feature I showed you at the beginning, the image to video pipeline. I select Nano Banana 2 as the image model, Kling AI as the video model. Same description, a family sitting together in a living room watching television in the evening, no style preset, hit generate. 1 description, 2 prompts. Step 1 creates the image, step 2 animates it. Let's test it. I generate the image using Nano Banana 2. Now generating the video using Kling AI. Look at that result. The prompt was built to support the multishot feature in Kling AI. That detail came from the documentation, not from guessing. One last test, Nano Banana 2 and VO3, a cinematic shot of a lone man walking across a bridge. Hit generate. I generate the image using Nano Banana 2, then animate it using VO3. Look at this. Perfect matching sound effects. It is like the ending scene of a Hollywood movie. That is what happens when the tool reads the manual for you. One last thing. This is why I said this matters more than any single prompt. Next month, a new AI tool will launch. Go to the official documentation page, copy the link, go back to NotebookLM, add the link to your existing notebook, run the same master prompt, save the updated reference sheet, go to Claude Code, tell it, add this new tool to my prompt engineer. Claude updates the app. New tool, new dropdown, new parameters. Your system just learned a new engine. You are not a prompt writer anymore. You are building tools while everyone else is copying prompts. One more thing, if you want less complexity, start with 2 models instead of 4, 1 image tool, 1 video tool. Fewer tabs means fewer bugs and less token usage. Scale up when you're ready, master prompt. Number 1 and number 2 are in the pinned comment. Go build your own. See you in the next one.